Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the world of AI and content creation with an exciting tool. The AI YouTube video generator. It could be short and long, whatever you want. If you have ever wanted to turn your text into engaging video effortlessly, then you are in the right place. Stick around as we explore this free AI powered tool and see how it can revolutionize your content creation process. So before jumping to main video, so if you are new in this channel, so I am Raihan, a content creator and freelancer. I make videos like different kind of tools, freelancing, money making content, how we can make your first $100 using your online skills. The tools we will be explore, it's called Invideo AI. It's a AI tools feature of video creation in Invideo AI. Okay. So we'll be using today Invideo, create videos with text prompt. So let's have a look their features available there in Invideo AI. What can I do with AI? AI talking avatar, AI script generator, text to video, video editor, video generator, faceless YouTube, faceless video generator, voiceover generator. So guys, if you want to start your faceless YouTube channel, so you can try with Invideo AI, and I think maybe that's gonna very helpful. Okay, and also the Invideo is to your help coming to pricing section. All right, so dive into Invideo AI's seamless video creation. Wow, fantastic! A YouTube videos on trading, water sport, adventure with locations. Let's create. All right, so 25 billion customers. Wow. And 190 countries. Number one, capture a transport. Okay, turn any idea into content to video instantly, text to video in a minute, a video about self-discovery. Wow, fantastic. Okay, and edit with text prompt. That's mean if you want to add subtitle, you can add over there. I think it's a great tools. Create in all languages, turn into French language. Okay, English to French language, and 50 plus languages supported. Okay, wow. So let's jump into our dashboard. So first of all, I think you have to sign up. So click on sign up button. So welcome to Invideo AI. You can use your Google account, Apple account. Also you can input your email address. Go to your Google account and just log in. Okay, so I just log in with my Gmail account. This is my free account, and this is the dashboard. It's completely empty. So when you first sign up and log in, I think you're gonna see the same dashboard. Okay, so let's click on create AI videos. Okay. All right, so it's a model v2, and that's the 10. That's been our previous generation model AI. So definitely you have to select 2.0. Okay, with 55 languages, better voice, longer prompts, and different kind of stuff. Okay, and this is the workflow and plugins, YouTube explainer, script to video, YouTube shorts, explore all. Okay, so we will later explore. Okay, no problem. So give a topic and detailed instruction. All right, so I just wrote it here, make a YouTube video under sea and surf in different ways. Okay, so let's click on generate video. All right, so our video is analyzing, so let's see. All right, so surfs up underwater, exploring the oceans, hidden waves. Audience, so let's select some audience. So you can select adventure seekers, ocean lovers, okay, whatever you like. Look and feel, vibrant, okay, a platform epic, and platform YouTube. Also you can create YouTube shorts, reels. Okay, so let's try our first video. Let's click on continue.
Hey everyone, are you ready to ride some waves where the ocean's heart beats the strongest? Let's dive into the world of undersea surfing. It has always been about the thrill, the freedom, and that intimate dance with nature's untamed rhythms. But what if diving and surfing, taking you into a surreal...
Alright, I'm gonna see, delete the second chapter. It's not really relevant. Make the chapter half as long. It's too worthy. Change current stock to a video drone shot of... So this is how you can change the audio, and also you can change the music volume, fade in, fade out. Okay, start in, out, everything. So if you don't love to the script and music, so you can change this. Okay, so I'm going to okay with this, and let's download it. Okay, so let's click on export. All right guys, so here is a big deal. Okay, so no watermark, you have to upgrade the final plan. Okay, stock watermark. Also you can AI branding with normal. Okay, also you can keep it is a 180 pixel, which is great. So let's click on continue. All right guys, so it's rendering now. So as it is, maybe you watched my previous videos, vid.io. Finally they make the videos, and the last section they're just rendering the video, okay, finalizing. Okay, so video exported successfully. All right guys, so let's create another one. All right guys, so make a YouTube video on top 10 crypto in 2023. So let's generate a video. Alright, so crypto 2030 top 10 predictions. Alright, crypto enthusiast and futuristic. Okay, YouTube. So let's click on continue. Guys, this is our second video and it's really ready. 3 minutes 11 seconds. Wow, this is really insane. Crypto 2030 top 10 predictions. Click on export. Stock watermark is okay and normal. On 80 continue. So guys, what we learned today, we learned that Invideo AI is really great tool and it's completely not free. Okay, cause if you want to get more qualityful videos, so you must have to pay. Like you have to upgrade your account. Definitely if you want to remove the watermark, you have to upgrade your account. Okay, but don't worry, as we are a beginner, so we don't need to have to pay, so we are okay with watermark. Okay, no problem. So you can download this way. So it's our 100% is ready. Okay, so it's automatically downloaded in our computer. All right, our download has been started. How you can see the crypto 30 already our first video downloaded. So let's play the video. Okay,
let's explore the top 10 cryptos that could be game changers in the next decade. First up, Bitcoin. Yes, the king remains on the throne. Ethereum is gearing up to be more than just a coin. It's the backbone of the essential for traders within the Binance exchange and beyond. Its utility and the burn mechanism keep pushing its value up as the platform grows. Don't overlook Cardano, with its rigorous scientific approach to blockchain development.
So guys, if you love this content, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I will come back with another tutorial. So have a good day. Tada, bye bye.